video of the makeup look, but this is the makeup look. I just used my Patricia Bright palette, and I put like blue in the inner corner, some brown, and then more blue. And brown and blue apparently make purple eyeshadow, which thank goodness, because dark colors do not look good on me. And then I put my hair in a braid, which I do not truly enjoy because I braided it too high. But luckily I didn't record myself in the vlog, so you won't see the awkwardness of it. But yeah, anyway, hi everyone, let's get into the vlog. I can't.
Really good.
First review of mangoes. Look at that.
Really good.
This is so cute though. This feels like every Hispanic bakery I've ever been to, but like more Gen Z.